guys, update. Maayos na yung bed. Although, tingnan mo yan. Binalatan ng kapatid ko yung lingling ko. Binalatan talaga. Anyways, ayan. I'm using my iPad. Hindi na makawala. This is everything. Kulang, hindi siya kulang, pero okay na yan. Kasi hindi naman tayo mag-full vlog day. But let's see. Ano yan? Ginawang playground ang Mandaue Foam. What? What's that?
New house. And we got casa here.
It's raining. What? No! Sabi ni Daddy, sasakay kayo dyan. Cleo. Gusto mo? Gusto ko. Sayang si Jess. Ayun si Jess, oh. Ako rin nandito. Takot ka. Cleo, hi! Hi guys, we'll be having seafood boil. This is what I'm doing. Para ko nag-ano sa motorboat.
May nanay shot. Video na to, nanay shot.
Boy, yan. Tito, may umalis
Ay,
na.
come on.
Ano to iPad?
Ate Ira. Hi, Lucas. Nay, mag-hi kayo na.
Kasi bakit?
Hi.
Hi!
Hi. Luwag. Ikaw, mag-hi ka, be. Hi, ito si...
Welcome to my vlog.
Hi kayo.
Hindi siya from you. Sino mas pag ikaw si Arjun?
Ako yan.
Papunta sa alabang sa Boteco.
Yung screen.
Mag-post ka na lang.
Kaya nga, nag-vlog na ako kanina pa. After 2 years. Wow, Cleo, what's that? Keep mo? Is that a car? Where's my toy? What? Papa Minion? Net. Ganito pala dito sa YouTube. Nakakakilig. Dito na ako mag-work. Dito na ako. Merong M-A-R-R-Y. Ito mo. Kilig. Humingi tayo ng sweets. Hingi kami ng sweets kay Tita Leo. Ano kaya? Ano kaya dyan? Ano kaya dyan? Tagal naman lumapit. Ayan na. Hi guys, ako kumuha na kami. Ha? Saan? Sa baba daw. Sa baba daw guys, may magbaba. Sige, Ana. Ang pangit na kulay!
Anong gagawin ko dito?
Ungrateful ka, be.
Ito yung akin eh.
Daming candy, babe. Yes! Nakuha ko! Color pink. Okay, go. Wala sa namin! Oo. 1, 2, 3, go. Pag-parehas lang yan. Bis! Hindi man lang inano yung favorite color.
Sticky icky like some bubblegum. Some drinks and
Tapos mula namin. Oo.
Mel. Ka.
I don't care what you do. Wait, who the hell are you? I'm trying to take it day by day. Sick of passing through the pages on the internet. Leave my face in on it, am I really living it? Am I bothered? Maybe just a little bit. Am I bothered? Maybe just a little bit.
Ano yun, ma? Okay na yan, bitaw mo ko yan.
Singin lang sa'yo, kaya natin magsingin doon. Di nga kita na kung wala ang pera. That's it. Oh, no!
Guys, oh. Merry Yay! It's Christmas season. Parang ang liwanag. Punta kami guys. Wala kami pamasahe. Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Guys, nag-decide kami na ito na ibibigay namin. Magkano to? Ito yung kay Angel. 749. Kain na kami guys. Wala kaming nakitang pang regalo si Tita May meron. Yan. I want you to sing. Sing again.
Ano, malabalawa ko po. Awa ka sa pagkikita niyo.
Wow ko! Hey guys. We're healing our inner child. Sabi natin buksan mamaya. Kaya we're back at ATC. The only difference is hindi na kami gumagamit ng Google Maps. Muntik pala. Update time ko si Gwyneth. Yan, naglalagay siya ng shampoo niya.
Dito shampoo. Onto.
Mga laboratory. Gusto ko pala, pero mamaya na pag hindi na mainit. Hi guys! Got our Vinci. Dito kami bumili ng pang-exchange gift. Yan, Sponty Day na naman. Oo nga, ang mahal. Ba't ang mahal?
Of this. And first, you need to wash your hands. Then add some a little bit of this. This is mulong. Molong. Then you add this like this. Then I'm gonna teach you how to do it. Then you
Hindi ganyan. Bakit parang walang karne? Puro
Ay, si MM yan. Eh, ganito yung akin.
Hi everyone! Happy New Year! This is all made by my titas. Wala, ang ganda mo dyan, Tita May. Hindi pa kami nag-review. Yes, kami nag-makeup na ako. Hindi lang kita. Guys, we're gonna play. Huwag kayong titingin. Ako? Matayo ko, Tita.
Hit it where my heart's at. Got me going deeper than Amari when that ball snap. I just sold your soul on my car, you got your call lacking. Now I'm next door at the party while you jaw jacking. You know that's your shot. The rarest in the raw fashion. I'm still trying to fit how this all happen.
The time for the two of us. I ain't got space to be thinking about you. You know this ain't the time for the two of us. I ain't got space thinking about you.
No, this ain't time for the two of us. I ain't got space thinking about you. Love it when you talk back. Love it when you talk back. Girl, you get me off track. So off white track suit, just so I can floss, yeah. With my new bitty, she ain't let my soft yet. Could've been you, still feeling on my ditty, but you lost that. You had real privileges for just all snaps. Now you get the time out, 'cause you hit it where my heart's at. Got me going deeper than Amari when that ball snap. Heard you sold your soul on my car, you got your call at. Now I'm next door at the party while you jaw jack. You know it's your shot, and the rarest in the raw fashion. You still trying to figure how this all happened.
You know this ain't the time for the two of us. I ain't got space thinking about you. I